everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're looking for an easy and delicious breakfast that basically cooks itself, then you're in the right place. So today we are going to make a Southwest breakfast casserole in the slow cooker. It is perfect for feeding a crowd without all the hassle. Layers of potatoes, peppers, onions, ham, cheese, and egg make this dish everything you love about a hearty breakfast without standing over a hot stove. So grab your slow cooker and let's get to cooking. So spray your slow cooker with some nonstick spray. And then I have shredded hash browns, and I'm just going to begin to layer with the hash browns on the bottom. And then I'm using some diced ham, but you could use bacon or sausage. And then a little bit of diced onion and bell peppers. And now I'm using pepper jack cheese, shredded pepper jack cheese, but you could use cheddar, really any kind of cheese you like. And then just keep layering. Then crack 12 eggs. Then add 3/4 of a cup of milk, a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and then just whisk it all together. Pour over your hash browns and all your other ingredients. Cook on high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 6. And voila! So wouldn't you guys agree that waking up to this delicious hearty breakfast would be wonderful? Especially if you have a crowd that you're feeding, a big family gathering. And you could modify this to your preference with whatever meat you wanted or cheese. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. God bless, and I will see you next time.